Hey, Assalamu alaikum. What better way to start your day with a good hearty breakfast? Both your heart and your body will love you for it. Today, I will be showing you how to make eggs with oats. As you heard me, eggs with oats. In two different styles. One will be the Shakshuka style and the other will be the omelette style. You will need onion, green onions, tomato, and rolled oats. As always, rolled oats is much better than quick or instant oats. However, if you only have quick or instant oats, that will be fine too. And of course, eggs. Crack the eggs. Add a quarter teaspoon of cumin, black pepper, and salt. Mix the eggs well. Then add the rest of the ingredients and mix. You can leave the mixture for 5 to 10 minutes to let the oats soak up the eggs and become soft and chewy. And however, if you don't have time, you can skip this part. Now, I will show you how to make it with the omelette style. Coat the pan in olive oil. Add the mixture and try to spread it evenly. And cover it with a lid and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Then take your spoon or spatula or whatever you have in your hand and try to pull the eggs from the edges so you can flip them with ease. Give the pan a little shake, a little stir to make sure that nothing is sticking at the bottom. Then flip it. Today I didn't do a good flip, but that's okay. And if you do not know how to flip the omelets, what you need to do is just add a plate on top of the pan and then flip the eggs on the plate. Then slide the eggs back to the pan. By this method, you are more likely to have a perfect omelet flip. And now is for the Shakshuka style. Coat the pan with olive oil, add the mixture, and stir like how you do scrambled eggs. And that's it. That was easy, right? It's delicious, healthy, filling, and by that, you will have a good start of the day. As always, enjoy. وبالعافية عليكم. إذا عجبكم هذا الفيديو please سووا سبسكرايب وسووا لايك. وزي العادة المقادير والطريقة موجودة في صندوق الوصف أسفل. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share the love. The ingredients are in the description bar below. Bon appetit! بالهنا والشفا. أشوفكم في الحلقة القادمة إن شاء الله. مع السلامة.